Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, ta-da, I have a haul to share with you guys, and I also have a website that I want to talk to you guys about first before I get into the haul. So I don't know if you guys know, but I wear glasses because I am blind as a bat. So I was contacted by a company and they're called Firmoo.com, and I'll have the link down below. But it's like an optical glasses website where you get affordable glasses, sunglasses, men, women, kids, for super cheap. And they reached out to me if I wanted to review one of their glasses. No, this is not sponsored. My opinion is an honest opinion, you guys. I do wear the glasses. I'm not just telling you guys to go to the site. I do wear the glasses, and I'm going to show you guys the ones that I picked out. But I'm going to have a link down below because they have an offer right now where they're offering $4.95 for your first pair, and you get, I think you can only pick, let me see here. It's the frame and the standard lens. And I think that that's super affordable. Their shipping is great. The customer service is great. So let me show you guys the glasses that I chose. So they come in a case like this, and it also had like a little bag that it came in. Let me see if I can find it. They also have a little bag like this. Let me bring the focus up so you guys can see. So they came in a little bag like this, and then it also came with like the little tools if you needed to change anything or like tighten up the screws on the glasses. And this is what the case looks like. And when you open it up, you get your little cloth to clean your glasses. These are the ones that I chose. I'm also going to have a link down below for the ones that I chose, and these are rose gold. And I just typed in my prescription, and you guys, they're amazing. So if you wear glasses and you don't want to spend like hundreds of dollars on a pair of glasses that you wear that you need to read, because I only need to see them to see from far. Like I can see everything up close, but when it comes to distance, I can't see anything. But you guys, look how cute. I am obsessed with my new glasses, and I've had them for over a week. I just wanted to like test them out and see if they were going to break on me or anything, and they're not. They're super sturdy, so that's why I decided to include it in this video so that you guys can definitely check them out. It's Firmoo.com. All links will be down below, including the link where you guys can get your first pair for $4.95 and the link to the glasses that I chose. So yeah, you guys, definitely check them out. And on to our haul. So you guys know that everybody is hauling stuff from Michael's because they have their 60% lowest of the season sale. So you know that I had to go, and I picked up quite a few. I'm going to leave the focus like that because I'm going to bring everything up. So let me show you guys first the stickers that I chose. So I picked out these little llamas. How cute are these, you guys? I hope the glare is not like ruining. Let me see. Can you see them? How adorable are these? I also got some like pastel enamel dots. I got the little mermaids. Aren't these super cute? I picked up these llamas. And then I picked up these. It says, nope, more naps, let's be lazy, not today, how about never, not happening, you're my fave, and no prob. These are so cute. Look at these bananas, you guys. How cute are these? I love these. And they only have one left. If not, I would have picked up more. Picked up these because I love the lashes and the lips. And I got the taco and the avocados. The donuts, of course. I love anything donuts. Picked up these. So cute. I got the coffee ones. I picked up these. This is piece of cake. How cute is that? And then I got the little rhinos, because she was just too cute to pass up. Look at this. This unicorn has curves. Oh, is it a unicorn? I thought it was a rhino. It looks like a rhino, doesn't it? Oh, it's Save the Chubby Unicorn. There are rhinos. Look at Save the Chubby Unicorns. Look at the cactuses. I love the color. So vibrant. And then we got some more mermaids. More unicorns. I got these makeup ones. I got these little shaker balloons. And then I got this one, which is like with the Eiffel Tower. The little rosé bottle, little girl on the bike. And this reminds me of the paper pad. I think it's together. The Ooh La La paper pad. So those are the stickers that I got. And then I picked up another pack of these doilies, which are the fabric ones. I picked up these little floral embellishments. I have a pack and I like them a lot. So I picked up another one of those. I picked up 2 packs of the little wood stickers, the Easter ones. I got the little wooden eggs. And then I got the little bunnies. And then I picked up this little set of washi with the little lipstick, the bows, and the golden pink. I picked up this tube of washi, which is the backyard table. And these are on sale too. I think it's 40 or no. I think it's 40. I got them for like $4, so it's probably like 60% off as well. But it's super cute. I love this one. I like the colors. I picked up these little banners. These were on clearance for $129. And then you guys, I saw someone haul these and I just had to have them. And it's in the like bead section. But look at these colors, you guys. And they're like acrylic gems. Aren't those beautiful? I love these. I can't wait to see what I do with these. These are so cute and super fun. And I got them, I used my coupon on this, so it's regular $10 and I got it for $5. And then I picked up 2 of these plastic cases just to put some more ephemera pieces, because you guys know I have tons of ephemera. And let's see what else. I feel like I'm missing something. I picked up one of these iris containers in the mint green, because these are also $3 right now. So I picked up one of those. I picked up this pinks and coral paper pad. And it's just a solids, and I don't have anything like this, so I figured why not? Sometimes it's good to have just plain solids. I have tons of prints, so I got that. I also picked up the Recollection Signature Special paper pad, and this is, you get 20 glitter sheets, and that's what those look like. And these are regular price $20 and they're on sale for $10. So I got that, and then I picked up from the 7 for, what is it, 7 for $1 paper sale. I picked up 7 of this ice cream print, because you guys, it's really good cardstock. Like, this is really good. So I figured summer's coming, it's a perfect print to create stuff with. So I picked up 7 of those. And then I picked up this little bacon one because it's just so fun. This wood paneling one. This one with the hearts that I've had before. And the cactus one. But yeah, you guys, that's everything I picked up. Might go back on Friday. Not sure yet. We'll see what happens, because I kind of want to go before the sale ends, because it does end on the 24th. So if you guys want your stickers, definitely go check them out right now, because the sale does end on the 24th. But yeah, you guys, that's my video for today. Don't forget to check out the Firmoo website and go get your stickers. 60% off. That's an amazing deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Hit that bell if you want to be notified the next time I upload. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.